Hello everyone. Today we will see that how you can change the default language on your Google Chrome browser. To change your Chrome browser's language, first click on these three dots on the right hand side and select the setting option. If you are in any other language, you have to look for this icon with the settings. So click on this. It will open up a setting page. Now here at the left menu, you have to look for the language option with this globe icon. So select this option. Now here we will find the first option for preferred languages. Here as you can see, my default language is English United States. If for an instance I want to add a new language Spanish, what I have to do? We have to click on this option with add languages. So click this button first. Now here you need to search for the language that you want to add. So I will type here Spanish. So this is the language that I was looking for. So to add this language, check this box and click on this add button. So as you can see, Spanish has been added to the list of available languages, but still English United States is my default language. So if I want to make Spanish as the default language for my browser, I have to click on these three dots and check this box. Next, what we need to do? We need to relaunch the browser to apply the Spanish language. So click on this relaunch button. So now as you can see over here, our default language for Chrome browser has been changed to Spanish. So that's it for this video. I hope this brief tutorial helped you out. If the video helped you in any way, don't forget to like it. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Till next time, goodbye.